Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. I am your teacher Ambish. This video lesson is for grade 8 from chapter number 5 polynomials, and today we are going to solve our exercise 5.1. The question number 1 is we have to write the constant in the given expressions. The first question is 3x plus 4. As I told you that constant is a numerical or digit value. So in this question 4 is the numerical value, 4 is the constant. In the second one 2x cube minus 1. So in this question minus 1 is the digit value, that is the constant. And then third one 5y plus 2x. We are watching over there that both the terms involving the variable. So in this question there is no any constant. In the fourth one 7y square minus 8. So minus 8 is the constant. In the second question we have to write the variables in the given equations. In the number 1 2x minus 1. So as I told you that variables are the values which are unknown, or we have to find the value, or we can say the values which are denoted by alphabets or English letters. So in the first question the letter which is used, it is x. In the second one y plus x is equal to 3. So the variables, two variables are involving in this question, that are y and x. In the third one x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So in this question only one variable is involving, and that is x. In the fourth one 7y square minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Again only one variable is involving, that is y. In the third question, we have to find out the literals in the given equation. Literals are the alphabet which are written along with the variables. So in the first question, 2x square plus bx plus c minus y is equal to 0. Our literals are a, b and c. In the second one, cx square plus dx is equal to 0. In this, c and d are literals. In the third question, bx plus d is equal to 0. So the literals used in this question are b and d. And in the last one, ay square plus d is equal to 0. So in this question, a and d are the literals. Now we are moving to question number 4. Separate the expression that are polynomial and that are not polynomial. Polynomials are the algebraic expression which have the exponent as 0 or positive integer. But if the exponent is negative, it will not be a polynomial. The first one is x square plus x minus 1. We are observing in both the variables the power of x is positive, so it is a polynomial. In the second one, x square y plus x y square plus 7. So in this question again we are observing that all the powers of variables are positive. Again it is a polynomial. Now we are moving to the third one. Uh, x has in power minus 2 plus y plus 7. So in the first term x has a negative exponent, that is minus 2. So it is not a polynomial. In the fourth one, x upon y square plus 1 minus y square upon x, you are observing that there is a denominator. When you will take this denominator to the upside or in the numerator, that exponent become negative. So it is not a polynomial. In the fifth one, x cube minus x square plus y minus 1, the exponents of x and y all are positive, so it is a polynomial. And the sixth, the last one, x has in power 4 plus x square plus 5x plus 1 upon 2. We are watching that all the variables having a positive exponent, so it is again a polynomial. In the first question, we have to write the constant that are used in the expression. As I told you, the constant are the numerical or digits values used in the expression. But here the number which are multiplying, the constant number which are multiplying with the variables, we will consider them as a constant. Actually they are coefficients, but here we are saying them as a constant. Every coefficient is a constant. So the first question, 7x minus 6y plus 3z, 7 minus 6 and 3 are the constant. In the second one, 5x square minus 3, 5 and minus 3 are the constant. Third one, 8x square plus 2y plus 5, 8, 2 and 5 are the constant. In the fourth one, 9y plus 3x minus 2z, 9, 3 and minus 2 are the constants. In the question number 6, write the degree of the polynomial given below. The degree of a polynomial means the highest power in or exponent in the given expression. In the first one, x square plus 1, x plus 1, the variable is x and its exponent is 1. So the degree of this polynomial is 1. In the second one, x square plus x, the two terms involving in this, uh, the highest power of the exponent is 2. So we will say the degree of the polynomial is 2. In the third one, x cube minus xy plus 1, three terms are involving. In the first term, the power or exponent is 3. In the second one, the exponent is 2 because x has exponent 1 and y has exponent 1. When we will add them, it becomes 2. So in the given expression, the highest exponent is 3. So the degree of the polynomial is 3. Similarly, in the fourth one, x square y square plus x cube plus y square minus 1. We are observing that in the first term, x square and y square are involving. When we will add their exponent, it becomes 2 plus 2, 4. It becomes 4. So that is the highest power or exponent of the given expression. So we will say the degree of the polynomial is 4. In the question number 7, we have to separate the linear, quadratic, cubic and biquadratic polynomials. If the degree of a polynomial is 1, it is called a linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 3, it is called a cubic polynomial. And if the degree is 4, it is called biquadratic polynomial. So in the first question, 3x plus 1, we are observing that our variable has an exponent 1, so it is a linear polynomial. In the second one, x square minus 2, the highest power or exponent of the variable is 2, it is a quadratic polynomial. In the number 3, y square minus y, so we are observing two terms are involving in this polynomial and the highest exponent of the polynomial is 2. So degree of the polynomial is 2 and it is called a quadratic polynomial. In the number 4, x plus y, two terms are involving and both have exponent 1. It means the highest degree or the exponent of the polynomial is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. In the number 5, x cube plus x square minus 2, the highest exponent of the variable is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. Number 6, x4 plus x cube plus x square. We are observing that the highest power or the degree of the polynomial is 4. So it is a biquadratic polynomial. In the number 7, x square y square plus xy. The two terms are involving. In the first term, when we will add the exponent of x and y, it becomes 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And in the second term, it becomes 2, and the highest power is 4, so it is again a biquadratic polynomial. And in the 8th question, x square plus xy plus 8, the highest exponent or the degree of the polynomial is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. And our exercise 5.1 has been finished, and I hope you will understand it nicely. Thank you.